There are three types of guys who might have interest in this course. The first one is definitely guys who have no programming background. In this course, we start from the scratch, no assumption about your background. The course is going to save a lot your time. So during my career, I learned how to be really very short in explaining things and being very effective. The course literally is like 1/3 of the time of other courses. Literally, I save you 2/3 of your time, and instead of wasting your time in a lot in saying the same thing over and over or being very slow to deliver some concept. The focus also, as its name's revealing, it's focusing a lot on programming skills. It happens for many guys after they finish a programming course, they have to take another or even a third, because different programming courses doesn't focus on skills, they focus mainly on syntax. So in this course is going even to save your time from this perspective. The second case is you already took a programming course, but eventually you realize that you cannot do a lot of the homework and cannot do a lot of projects, and you discover that the course claimed to have 50 different projects, but they ended up to be all of them very simple exercises. So you realize that you were cheated. So eventually you need something else to improve your skills. This course has a lot of exercises, has a lot of practice, a lot of homework, a lot of quizzes, different really and stronger projects. So this could also be a very added value for you. The third case, which is a bit tricky, for someone who really is seeking to refresh his concepts or maybe coming from a different programming language, please inspect very well the table of content to make a decision to what degree the offered topics is going to cover what you need. Definitely programming languages are so big and no one can cover everything in a single course. That's all.